Hello, welcome again. This is Airdrop Mining Update. Today I'll be giving you good updates regarding to the Meshchain AI. As we all know, this project is kind of a cool project that some of us are not really indulging, but for those of us who are really partaking on this project, then I'll say kudos to you. So quickly, I'm going to jump into this project and tell you what you need to do. It's an AI and at the same time a Depin. So if you know what Depin is all about, we've seen the not the types of Depin alliance and stuff like that are listed to you. So now quickly talk about the Meshchain AI and what's this all about and how does it really work. That's what I'll be explaining to you guys, so you guys can simply get yourself plugged in and start farming this point. So now, as you can see, this is the X channel, and so far so good. They just got only 747 followers right now. That shows how many people are uh, really partaking on this project for the now, plus minus. So as you can see, it's powered by cutting edge Depin plus AI. So what does this really do? It's kind of a way of your system. It has this node. It works with node, so it uses your bandwidth and stuff like that, just in alliance with the AI stuff to accumulate points, and that's how you're going to get positioned for your token if the listing time is being announced. So quickly, what I will be explaining to you guys is how to get yourself involved and how to get started. So I'll be leaving a link in the description and I'll give you a little explanation on this video. You follow the link, you get yourself registered, and once you click on the link, you'll be landing on the page where you need to create an account, and that account that you'll be creating will take you to a place like this. So this is the home page of the node of the Mesh AI. So you have certain things to do aside from the tax. So once you get registered, the first thing you'll be seeing are tasks that you need to do, and these tasks are simple tasks that anyone could do. So it shouldn't be an issue for you to get yourself registered and get yourself started. So you use your email, and you have your various Twitter, Discord, and other stuff you need. So once you land on this place, you'll be seeing some certain tasks that you need to do. For instance, as you can see right here, these are my tasks that I've been doing, right? So finish tasks. So this tells you that you need your email verification, which you're going to be using your email to get yourself registered. You need a Telegram app. You need to join their Shiner. You need to get the Chrome extension, you get a Discord, X, and follow, tweet, like that. All this is gives you points. You can see 100 points, 150 points. So when you do all this like I've done, you're going to be getting these points. Most especially, uh, okay, let me claim this. I think I've already claimed it, but let me just claim. Okay, claim successfully. So that has been done. So I could just deposit $1 to get the spin. So this spin, I'm talking about this spin lastly on the video. Just watch to the end of the video, and I'll be talking about this spin and what you need to understand about the spin, the boost channel, and the follow mesh on the Binance Square. All this I'll be explaining to you because these are the many tasks available for me to just do, and I'll be doing one of them for you to see how it works and you could go about it. So how does this really work? You click your link, you get yourself registered with your email, perform those tasks, and quickly you must get an extension. So the node is your extension. What's the node? The node is something like this that works for you as an extension. If those of you who's doing grass, node pay, and oasis, gradient, and the rest, you understand what this means. So you could see claim gas fee. So I get the gas fee for every when you get registered, you're going to be given a BNB for the gas fee. So how does this gas fee work? It enables you to be able to claim your points daily. So every day, not every day, you could claim as much than more than 2 3 times. Depends on whenever you come in and it's available for you to claim. You just claim. So mine is available to claim. I'm going to be placing the claim, and you will see claim, and they got the BNB balance which they're going to take from gas fee. You see the gas fee here will be taken. So it's a BNB. Mind you, you're not depositing your BNB at the moment. When you get started, you'll be giving this as a bonus for you to get yourself started. So this engineers the transaction process, for you to do the claiming and stuff. So I'm going to click on claim. So I've seen some situation where some people in the Discord channel complain they no longer have BNB on their account, available BNB to make this transaction successful. So those people are being advised to make a little deposit of BNB on their wallet. But so far so good. I've been doing this project. I've never had that issue of running out of BNB because I don't know how. I'm just so lucky or unfortunate I don't fall in that category. But I've heard people saying that. I don't know if it's true until it happens to me. So you get your extension browser, which is this. You get your Telegram node. The Telegram node is a different part I'll be talking about in this video, and I'll be showing you something else in another video to tell you how it works. So you're going to be having this mesh AI on a Telegram bot. So you could notice that most of this project right now, because of the popularity of these Telegram mini bot games and that, and so some of these Depins are trying to embed themselves in the Telegram bot just to cash people and get people involved on their project or protocol. But not every Depins can work in every phone. The reason because sometimes your phone might not be strong enough, so you might be having issues, slow, hanging, buffer. But definitely, you could do it on your mobile phone. If you have a good mobile phone, you just have to get those browsers like the Kiwi browser, the Brave browser, and the Mrs. browser, and you're good to go. You can do this. If you have a laptop, it's a double for you because you're going to be having this on your laptop claiming, and you're also going to be having it on your Telegram bot on your phone claiming. So for me, I claim 2 points. I claim here and I claim on my mobile phone, which I'll be showing you later in the day. So once you get your Telegram node, which is a node for you, that you have it on your Telegram already, you're going to be having this browser installation, which is this, and the desktop node, which is like what I have on my desktop right now. So for the hardware, they already made an advertisement here regarding to their hardware that will be coming up later, as in it's on sales, I think so. But it's not really important right now. It's not you don't need to get yourself that this is it. So they are trying to advertise this stuff that you could get as a node, and you get in your house, you plug and stuff. It helps you do some of the mining for you. So it's a mesh node, which that will be later if you're interested in that. This is it, example of how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It's just a device that you could get in your home under the production of this mesh AI, and it's a deepin stuff, and I believe you could use it for other stuff, so other deepin projects. I don't know for now, but for now we're going to be leaving that aside, and we're just going to be talking about this complete stuff. So once you've done this, then you're good to go. You quickly jump into your reward session, carry out all these tasks, and make sure you get this completed. You follow their Twitter, follow their X for this. I'm going to follow Mesh now on Binance Square. Definitely going to take me to the Binance, my Binance page. I don't think my Binance is even logged in right now, but let me see. If it gets there, then I'm going to be logging in and deposit one. So let's talk about this deposit $1 to get a spin. What this simply means, if you come to the overview page here, you'll be seeing something like this. You see the next round is going to be starting as a spin. So try your luck. So it's a luck. It's more of a gamble. It's a luck because you're going to be using your points to play these games, and sometimes you're not really promised, you're not really assured, or the possibility of really getting something is not really there. So you get a spin, you're going to be getting a point. I think I've done this once or so, but I don't really focus on this because of the the gambling stuff. I don't want to lose my points, so I rather keep my points and make more points. And but those of you who like gambling, you could do this and it's fine. So if you go back to the X, they made there was an update. Let me see if I could find the update for you guys to understand what it means. Let me see. Okay, mesh endless draw. So this is a draw. It's a weekly draw which you do on the spin. But there's something I want to tell you that they brought in yesterday, permitting us to use deposit USDT. So that's exactly what I was trying to show you. So now previously it was the BNB and stuff you could use, but now they've been giving the opportunity to deposit a USDT and perform the spin. So I'll be showing you how it works and why you need the USDT if you are interested in doing this. So back to the mesh application. If I click on this right now to spin, if I click on spin now, it's going to open a new browser for me, a new page for me. And what's going to be telling me is for me to spin. I could spin and I could get points. I could spin and I could get additional BNB adding to my BNB wallet in order for me to perform my transaction and stuff. I could spin and also get Theta USDT. So this is it. If you look at it right now, you got stuff to gain if you go for the spin. You spin, you could get this 20 USDT, 50 points, 100 USDT, like that, 1000 points, BNB 0 points, just like that. So I don't have a spin. If I click on my spin, it's going to tell me to log in. So logging in right now. Let's see. And okay, it wants me to log in my account. So I don't think I'll be doing. Let me see if it's gonna. I'm not really interested in doing that. So okay, finally it logs me in because I've logged it on before. So if I click on my spin, I don't have a point. It costs me 100 points to spin. You see? How do I get these points? You get these points by using your. You could buy with your BNB. If you got BNB here, you could buy. So these things here also gives you the opportunity to play this game more. But you could do the USD that was introduced was this, so you can deposit if you want to deposit, and voila, you're in. You could start playing this game and making stuff. You see people playing the game, players time 7 days ago, 700 points. You see them getting points. But I'm not really interested in this because this is the total price they've won recent round. Or but I don't really focus on this because I'm not interested in this spinning stuff. It's like more of a gamble to me. So they reprogram as an event time frequently. Every event is held once every week. Duration lasts for 2 hours. Participation rules eligible open to all users. Spin limit a maximum of 5 spin per user. Spin interval at least 15 minutes between spin. Cost each spin is 100 points. You see, so prize you're gonna win at this 50, 100 blah BNB gas fee. For your gas fee, USDT paid directly in cash. So it means you could also acquire the USDT. But how possible it is? So for those game lovers, you could do this and it's good for you. So me, I'm not really interested in this, so I don't really do it. So I'll go back simply to my area of specialization, as I would say. So if we look at the roadmap, they got their roadmap here, and this is it. So far so good. I always love projects that talks about their roadmap because it enables us to know how far and how well they are planned and positioned for their coin or their token. But sometimes, things changes, but at least seeing the roadmap gives you the guide of where they've achieved and where they've gotten to. As you can see right here, it's clearly stated here, so you could know that the fourth quarter of 2025 AI blah map, this centralized integration, software node, dedicated MC, so launching of the merged browser node and airdrop, so it's going to become. So all these things we know about this. These are the roadmap that they've set aside for us to follow. So definitely, it's a very very promising project, and I expect every one of us to get ourselves involved in this, not to look and just ignore. So I'll be leaving a link in the description. You could just go about it. It's as simple as I explained. There's no rocket science or something difficult for you to see or for you to get it difficult for you to complain that you can't really do it. You can do it. So what does this really do? Sometimes some of us we just tell ourselves that, oh, we can't do this because maybe we don't have idea, we don't know how it works. But just as I've explained on this video, that's how it really works. So you can do it and you can get yourself into this Meshchain and start accumulating your points. So that is it. And simply, I'll talk about something that we need to understand about this Mesh AI. It's on the Telegram board. You could always come in several times because you could see here not online is one, which is just my PC here. This one you're talking about. So when you get your Telegram connected on it, you'll be seeing it's gonna be two. So in 1 hour 15 minutes, I'll be claiming points again. So just imagine how frequent you could keep coming around and claiming your points and you know growing your growing your pay, your points up. So that's how simple it is, and I know you can do that. So that'll be all for now. And before I wrap it up, I have to give you guys a little quick reminder regarding to the plaza. Just a reminder, if you're doing the plaza and you haven't gone there today, remember to go there, claim your points, swap, and do as I've explained in my previous video. If you haven't watched the video, check on my channel. You're gonna see the video there, and it's simple to do. It's as easy as any other project you've been doing. So that's it. And I had myself involved in a glacier. The glacier probably I wasn't eligible for it. So after, although I didn't get myself involved on time, so I wasn't really eligible for it. So that's what it is. Sometimes you get in, sometimes you don't get in. They say five for form for these people. I don't need to do that because I don't think I was really eligible for it. So that'll be all for now. Thanks for watching my channel. Please remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any difficulties on this project, you just let me know and I'll find a way. Drop a comment and ask me whatever question you want to tell me, and I'll see as much as possible as I could help. The Telegram link, I'll be leaving it on the description also. You could just get yourself just a Telegram process. You just get yourself connected with Telegram, and you get that as your second node. You'll be having 18 points there every time you go there to claim on on the uh, um, on the mesh itself. You'll be getting 25 points. So that's how it is. So 25, 18, every time you come in, you keep getting these points out of it, and it's as simple as that. You get yourself positioned and perform all the tasks. And here's the Binance Square. If I have to click on the follow, let me see. I don't know if I'm logged in, but let me just say click follow. I go back to the mesh and I go to my reward section, Let's see if it's open for me. I want to follow. So I already click on follow now, but I don't know if my Binance was logged in for me to get this point. So that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next one.